Hey.
Are we starting? Okay. Very fun bootcamp or a weekly event that gives students the opportunity to, not actually students, young students, the opportunity to learn about robotics at a younger age than most people would learn at. Just a fun event to make sure they enjoy what they're doing and what we're trying to teach them.
Hi, my name is Liano and I'm here at the Robotics Bootcamp at AlgoAtWork.
Hi, my name is Kunti.
Hi, my name is Tembunkosi.
Hi, my name is Simpura.
Hey, my name is Ntando.
Hi, I'm Kylan and I'm here at AlgoAtWork for Robotics Bootcamp.
Okay, what I would honestly say fascinated me was the speed at which they understood the things we were teaching them. I think as someone who started programming, coding, robotics at the age of 20-something, seeing them do that at the age of 13, we had 6-year-olds, 7-year-olds. They were able to do things at a younger age than I was able to do. So it was fascinating that they understood these things, concepts. So it goes to show that the new generation of students are learning things at a faster rate or have a better understanding than we did back in our day. I think it's important for the new generation of students to be able to understand these things at a younger age than we were. By the time they're 20, they'll be able to understand most of the work they'll need to do in the industry, whatever plant or whatever place that they'll be working with in future. As compared to us who started at an older age, we have to take time. By the age of 30, we'll have to know the things that the current cohort of students will be able to understand by the time they get to their 20s. Coding is fun. Coding is something that should be enjoyable. You should have creativity. You should have a certain, not a fixed mindset, but a creative mindset. Don't be coming in that I need to cram this code. During the week, we're able to teach them that they can come up with their own ideas, whatever they think or whatever they want to build. That will give them the motivation and passion to be able to build those things. So that's what makes coding and robotics fun. You must have a love and passion for what you do. Then you will continue to push and build whatever it is that you want to do.